Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install SP Football Live 2025 with patch. So first, open up any browser you have. Then search up SP Football Live. Click the Pairs Smoke Patch website. Download all the parts including the update. Now scroll up and download the FACEPACK. Again, download all the parts of the FACEPACK including the update. Now extract SP Football Live game parts. Now install SP Football Live. Now extract the patch update and install it. Click More Info, then Run Anyway. Choose Update and install New Edit file. Install it on the game folder. Now extract the FACEPACK parts. Copy all the file. Then paste it into SP Football Live download folder. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment.
Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening. A night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport around here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising.